If you look at the value bridge below, the capital going into the deal and coming out of the deal, these are objectively true. They match dollars transferred between the bank accounts of buyers, sellers, and other stakeholders. Total value creation must also be objectively true because it's simply the difference between two objectively true things. In contrast, the way that value creation gets split up, this is always a subjective interpretation. As we mentioned earlier, different approaches and different assumptions can provide different results. In these videos, I'll argue that even though every value bridge is subjective, some subjective interpretations are objectively better than others, and the criteria for what makes a model objectively superior will be as follows. Number one, a value bridge is objectively better if it uses rigorous math. This means that you can derive all the equations from the bottom up using basic algebra, calculus, and widely accepted capital structure valuation and P&L relationships. You don't need plugs or shortcuts to make the value drivers add up to the right number, and you can break the value drivers into smaller pieces and add them back up again without any loss of data integrity. Number two, approaches are objectively better if the inputs, the numbers that you feed into your equations and spreadsheets, are practical and accessible. This means that you can drive the analysis with numbers usually found in a fund's quarterly report, and you rarely need to make special requests to GPs and deal teams for data. You don't need custom market comp sets for every company, and generally, you don't drive models with cash flow spreadsheets, which are a pain because they don't scale. And number three, approaches are objectively better if the results are non-volatile. So outputs are insensitive to minor fluctuations in inputs, and the models work over the widest range of investment scenarios. It doesn't matter if a deal is realized or unrealized, levered or growth, 10x or 0.1x, software or manufacturing, US, Europe, anywhere else, the results make sense and the numbers don't change drastically in 2 quarters because of a minor change in an EBITDA margin or a GP ownership percentage. The value creation models that we demonstrate on the site and in the book, they have all these characteristics, but it's going to take a few videos for me to make that case.